ladies. I just got off of work, so the house is kind of a disaster today. So I thought I would do like an after work clean with me today. So if you're also just getting home from, a busy day up at work or, can't find the motivation, I hope you will watch this and hopefully it gives you some cleaning motivation, or you'll just clean along with me. But yeah, let's get into cleaning this mess and making this house look nice again. Let's get to it.
Wide awake is the way that you left.
So I'll just be starting out in the kitchen. I had a ton of dishes to do. At first I didn't have as many, but then I went through my fridge and got out all the containers with leftovers and things in them. So I ended up with a lot more dishes than what I started out with. But yeah, first thing I did is at least get the dishes done, because I don't know about you, but it seems like the kitchen, that's the room that takes me the longest to clean. Let me know in the comments below if that's how it is in your house too.
I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that you I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
And I'm a little sad. So some of you may know that on my table I would have this white cake stand that I would have decorated. Well, the other day, one of our cats decided to jump on the table, but when he jumped, he slid and he broke my cake stand and the candle that was on there, and it was just a big mess. So now I just have to wait and get another cake stand.
Or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
Don't talk about it.
And then I just wanted to show you guys my little table I decorated for Halloween, since I really didn't do a Halloween decorate with me. I wanted to, but I started it and then just never really got it finished for you guys. Sorry about that, but here's my cute little table. And of course my camera's still cutting out on me, so when I'm cleaning my bathroom, a lot of this got cut out, so because I did not realize that my camera was not filming. So, but yeah, the bathroom was about the last thing I cleaned, so you'll see me cleaning the counter a little bit here and then wiping off the mirror, but that's about all that got filmed, unfortunately. But this is about the end of the video, so I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation. You know, it was nice to, after I got the house clean, to just be able to relax then, you know, after having a long day at work. And then, of course, the next day is when I'm filming now, or when I'm editing now, is my day off. So it was nice to wake up this morning and just be able to relax, you know, and have a clean house. But yeah, that's it. So I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.
We got places we can go to figure out what we've done.